Was I recording?
Screen falling off the door hanging off the hinges. My feet are still sore, my back's on the...
Hey guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do the no mirror makeup challenge. So my makeup on right now is the finished look. I think I did pretty good, but if you guys want to see how it all went down, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna do the no mirror makeup challenge. I have my hair up. I have my everyday makeup kit here as well. So I'm gonna turn the viewfinder in just a second, and then basically I won't have anywhere to look at. I'm gonna try not to turn this way to my mirror, and I'm gonna turn the video finder the other way so I can't see myself anymore. And yeah, I'll try not to talk too much, but okay, so let's do primer. I'm actually gonna do like full face. I'll try to do full face. I have no mirror, so let's see. Okay, I feel like that's spread enough, good enough. I wanted to use the Make Up Forever Velvet Matte, but it's not here. I don't know where it is. Oh, well, so then I guess I'll just have to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. Oh my god, my hands are so dry. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. foundation brush and just I could kind of feel it, I think, so okay. This feels so weird not having to like look at yourself. Okay, and then I'm gonna do my highlight. My boyfriend's playing COD right now. Right, babe? Babe, you're playing COD?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what I'm doing?
No.
I'm doing no mirror makeup challenge. So I'm doing my makeup without a mirror.
Just gotta go by feeling.
Yep. I don't know if I had any product on there. I think this one's a little bit off. Let's see if I can contour my nose. I want to just blend it out just in case it's not blended. I feel like it's good. I'm just scared about my nose. Okay. I usually use a translucent powder, but it's in my drawer. And if I get it, then that means... Oh shoot, I didn't look at it. If I get it, then I'll might accidentally look at the mirror. So I'm just gonna use my Sephora powder foundation. Okay, just set my foundation. Okay, this is gonna be tricky. We're gonna do my eyebrows. Oh, shit. God, I don't know. I don't even know how to do this. I feel like I don't even want to shape it. I just want to like follow along with my natural eyebrows. I feel like I'm doing so bad. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Okay, I'm gonna use the Violet Vase Berry Burst eyeshadow palette. And this is basically my go-to palette. I can pretty much do a lot of different looks here with the shades that they have. So, oh, okay, I didn't look at myself, but so I'm gonna use that transition shade. I'll use this one today. I feel like eyeshadow I have a pretty good feel of, but let's see. I heard you.
I gotta change the audio, that's why.
Okay. I don't know. Okay. I hope that's okay. Okay, I think the next part is the trickiest part. So I'm not sure how we're gonna do it. Okay, I'm missing a brush. We're gonna do eyeliner. It's gonna be super tricky. Okay. I feel like it's not connected. I think this is probably a lot thicker than this one. Or else. I can feel it. Eyeliner is, I think, probably the hardest thing to do with this. Oh, I feel like I couldn't even put any there. Okay, so... Ah! Did it spread? Okay, that's fine. We're gonna do a little bit of bronzer. And then I'm gonna do blush. Oh, I didn't look at myself there. Oh my god. Okay, and then we're gonna do a highlighter. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne, I think. Kristen Leanne. I don't know her actually, but I love this one. Okay. See, like we're almost done. Like I don't know. I'm gonna use another Urban Decay lipstick. This is from the same collection. This is in Bun Bun. My friend Rochelle recommended this to me. I don't know. I feel like it's a nude lipstick anyway, so you can't tell if it's like on properly or not. I think, well, I'm not gonna put false lashes on because I feel like that's not gonna be safe. So let's just put mascara on. And then that's it. Oh, I think I touched myself here. No, I think we're good. No, okay. I touched my lid, didn't I? I think I did. Okay. I think I'm done. So I'm gonna grab the mirror and let's see how I look. I'm not gonna look at this mirror. I'll just look at this one. Wow. I actually did pretty good. My eyeliner is a little bit off. I knew my contour here was not good. I felt it. I didn't feel it enough. I can see a little bit of contour here, but I mean my eyebrows are ugly. Actually, I have like eyeliner right here. Did you guys see that? But like the rest of my face looks fine. It's just the contour. My lipstick's not on properly, but that's okay. You can't really tell, but I think the eyeshadow is pretty good. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Babe, look. This is
what?
Look at me.
Well, nice.
I look normal, right?
You look normal.